If you've been looking for the home that won't break the bank, but also won't drain your wallet with maintenance repairs, then this is one you need to check out. Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Woodall All-Pro team, and I'm here to show you 13 Foothill Court in Camdenton. Let's go take a look. When you walk through this home, it's easy to see it's been totally remodeled with quality finishes and fixtures, but it will also help save money in the long run by having new HVAC, new well pump, and new deck. If you'd like more information on this great home, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll schedule a private showing for you. Thank you, and have a great day.